back at the memorial. Here again is 3 and 4 World Trade Center. This is North End Avenue. Alright, I am back at the Hudson River. There again is the new 3 World Trade Center. There's 4 World Trade Center, 1 World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower, and 7 World Trade Center. So, 3 World Trade Center, the core should be between floors 50 and 55. Meanwhile, the steel should be between 28 and 35, possibly. But it's definitely working its way up. The core is very close to passing Tower 4, and Tower 4 is 72 stories. When Tower 3 is completed, it will be 80 stories, and then when the new 2 World Trade Center starts, it will be 81 stories. The redesigned 2 World Trade Center will be 81 stories. The original 2 World Trade Center was 88. However, 2 World Trade Center still needs a tenant. There is Newport, Jersey City, and Hoboken is way down there. Way down there is the Verrazano Narrows Bridge to Staten Island. There is the Statue of Liberty. There is Ellis Island. Out there is Liberty State Park, and then here is Jersey City and Newport. Way down there is Hoboken. And here is the World Trade Center. 1 World Trade Center, 7 World Trade Center, the new 3 World Trade Center, and 4 World Trade Center. True beauties. And pretty soon, Tower 3 will join them. It's already joining them. Truly beautiful, amazing buildings. Alright, so I'm just going to take another look at 3 World Trade Center, and that will be the end of this update. Alright, I'm back at West Street. Here again we have 1, 7, the Transit Hub, 3, and 4 World Trade Center. Alright everybody, so once again, this is all the time I have for today. So this is going to be the end of this update. Be sure to rate, leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you have any questions to ask, please ask, I will get back to you. And most importantly, I hope you've enjoyed this first update of 2016. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy. Thanks for watching.